want to automate and handle the customer queries on WhatsApp, then watch this tutorial till the end and I bet this will be a great video to watch today. So yes, I'll show you the proper working of this AI assistant which I have created for my own e-commerce store. Let's say I'm going to type a message which says hey, and I'm going to send this hey, and once I send this hey, automatically the AI assistant is going to start. It is saying how can I assist you today. So let's say I have a query that I have received a damaged mixer and I want to know about the refund policy. So I'm going to type I received a damaged mixer, will I get a refund? And yes, it is saying yes, you can get a refund, and it is sharing me the rest of the details. Now let's ask another question, which is what if I paid through UPI? And once I send this message, automatically the reply will be generated, and as you can see over here is the reply, and it is solving my this query too. Now let's ask another question, what if I already used the mixer once and I'm going to send this message, and once I send this message, yes, you can see automatic reply will be generated. It says used products are not eligible for refund. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time this AI assistant is solving all my user queries related to refunds and returns. So you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows so much in detail about my business and the accurate information. So I have created a knowledge base like this, and I've uploaded this knowledge base of my own business in this AI assistant, using which it is giving me so accurate answers. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same, be it the return window, the eligible returns, non-eligible returns, and the rest of the details. If I ask any FAQs like can I change my delivery address after placing the order, so let's say I'm going to ask this question, and you're going to see that it is going to reply exactly the same which we have in our knowledge base. So yes, you can see it is going to generate the reply, and we're just going to check this reply. Yes, you can change your delivery address if your order has not been shipped. So you can see this is the same line which I have returned right over here as the answer of my FAQ. So yes, let's see how we can create this amazing AI assistant. So we can create this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, and to do this you have to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. So you have to follow me and type pabbly.com/chatflow and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And using Pabbly Chatflow, we're going to create this AI assistant. But before we move on further and create this AI assistant, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a platform where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts, and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the community today. So let's head back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and you're going to see two options on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. And now we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales, and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and to get started you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You're going to get two options to add a WhatsApp number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check out the video and also add your WhatsApp number instantly. So yes, you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. So let's move on further and create this AI assistant. So to create this AI assistant, I'm going to go towards this left hand of the side of Pabbly Chatflow, and you're going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, I'm going to focus on a feature of Pabbly Chatflow which is AI assistant. And if you wish to learn about any another feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these features have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So let's go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And now it is opening a window something like this, where we can see the total AI assistants, the active and the inactive. So let's create a AI assistant from scratch. So we have to click on this add AI assistant button. We have to name the assistant. So I'm going to keep the name as customer support agent and click on this add AI assistant. And once we click on this add AI assistant, a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now it is saying AI instructions. So you can select the instruction type from here. If you wish to give a custom prompt, you can go towards this custom prompt and give a custom prompt. And over here we're going to move in forward. We have some pre-built examples like the AI agent, customer support agent and sales agent. So you can either select any one of this pre-built example or give a custom prompt. It depends upon you. I'm going to select a pre-built example which is customer support agent, and the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some instructions too from here. It depends upon you. Now next which we have is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it depends upon you. I want more focused answers, so I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2. It is saying select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI, and now for the model I'm going to select it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key, and to get this API key we have to click on this hyperlink given right over here, which will take us to the OpenAI API key page. And once we come on this page, you have to click on this create new secret key button. You have to enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so you have to copy this key and click on this done. And now we have to paste this key right over here in our workflow and click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, so let's move on further. It is asking me for the AI assistant settings. So if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can switch on these buttons and add a header or a footer message. You simply have to type the message like this, which is the header and the footer message, and it will be added. Maximum characters are 60 over here, which are allowed it. You can add the header or the footer message according to your own choice. This is not required, so I'm going to switch off this button and move on further. Now it is saying stop keywords. Over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. And how you can add the keyword, you can simply type the keyword and then press enter, and you will directly add the keyword. And why is this stop keywords used? So let's say a user is chatting with your AI assistant and they want a human or a manual review on that chat. So they can type a keyword like human or something like that. Then automatically the AI is going to not answer to that user further if they use a stop keyword. That chat will be moved towards the intervene section, where a manual review will be needed to reply to that user back again and assign it back to the AI. So if you wish, you can definitely add this stop keywords. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key failed to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. Alright, if you wish, you can definitely increase or decrease this retry attempts and move on further. The next which we have is this fallback message. This message will be sent towards the user when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So let's say user has some emergency, so you can add your support email address right over here in this message so that user can contact you on Gmail. So I have already added my support email address. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this knowledge source. So you have to add a knowledge source. Like I told you in the starting of this video, that this AI assistant is replying so accurate because I have created a knowledge source and added this knowledge source. So how you can add this knowledge source? For that you have to write down the unique knowledge of your business in a Google Doc. Go towards this file and then download this file in TXT or PDF format. I'll suggest you go for TXT because first of all we accept two formats, TXT and PDF. We accept TXT formats and there's no page limit. But for the PDF there's no page limit for text PDF. But if you go for image PDFs, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT format. That is more preferred. Otherwise, if you wish, you can definitely upload the PDF too. Now, how you can upload this? You have to go towards this choose a file. Once you download the file, you have to simply upload this file like this. And as you can see, we have uploaded this knowledge source. Now let's move on further towards this AI interface. Now over here, you can change the interface of this AI. It is saying header, display, heading name. It is saying to enter your brand name over here. So let's say I'm going to enter my brand name. As you can see, this is the name of my brand. So I'm going to enter it over here. For the subheading, if you wish, you can definitely edit edit it. I'm going to keep it as same only and move on further. Now for the initial message, once again, if you wish, you can definitely add the initial message. You have to press enter to add the initial message. You can add up to 2 initial messages. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this label, you can keep it as enable, otherwise you can disable and it will disappear from here. Further, you're going to move on further. The next which we have is this footer text. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. So you can add the footer text and the footer link right over here according to your own choice. The next which we have is this user first message. So I'm going to keep it as hey, this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. With this we have completed this AI interface. Now let's go towards this styling. If you wish, you can definitely style your AI assistant. You can change the theme, the background color, the button colors, and you can also add or change the images. It depends upon you. And further, with this we have successfully completed, or you can say created, this AI assistant. Now in order to run this AI assistant, we have to switch on this toggle button to activate this AI assistant and click on this save AI assistant, and it is saying AI assistant saved successfully. Okay, so now we have created this AI assistant, but how you can use this for your own business? For that, if you wish, you can go to this embedded and add this AI assistant on your website by just using this script over here. The next option which we have is this. You can go to this inbox section. All right, so I'm just going to open this inbox in a new tab. You can go to this inbox section and then you can select the chat like this demo, and I want to assign the AI assistant to this demo, so I can go to this choose AI assistant and assign the AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this demo is going to message me, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. And further, if you don't wish to assign the AI assistant manually to all the chats, what you can do is you can go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings, and you have to scroll down and you can enable this AI auto reply settings. You can switch on this toggle button, select the contact list, select the AI assistant which is going to reply to this contact list. What is going to happen that now whenever someone from this contact list is going to message you, this AI assistant is only going to reply, and you have to click on this save to save this settings. If you wish to create a contact list, you can go to this contact section and create your contact list. If you wish to learn about this contact section in detail, a video tutorial towards it has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So now let's test this AI assistant once again. I'm going to clear the previous chat and start fresh. Let's say once again I'm going to message them hey, and I'm going to send this message, and once I send this message, my AI assistant is going to reply me. It is saying hi there, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm going to ask something from this FAQs. Let's say I'm going to type this, what if I cancel my order? So I'm going to simply copy and paste this FAQ, and once I send this, yes, you're going to see this AI assistant is going to reply me exactly the same which I have returned right over here in my knowledge source. Further, if I wish to ask that do you ship internationally, it is going to reply me for the same too. You're going to see within seconds this AI assistant is going to solve all my user queries. And let's say I want to know how I can place the order, so this AI assistant can solve this too. So not only handling the refund or the returns query, but also the rest of the details which my user is going to ask for me, automatically AI assistant is going to handle that too. All of this is going to happen in backend. All right, and yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant. Now I'll suggest you go and try this AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the AI assistant, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.